You guys, today we'll be doing an organizing my stockpile video. Yeah, you guys. So we have a lot of stuff. Well, we took all our stuff off the shelf. I gotta bring another one in here, but I'm gonna let y'all see how it looks. We have all of our stuff on the floor that we had to put on the shelf. See here, all the tie. We got all that on the floor. Our tissue. We gotta take it down. We gotta take all that stuff down. And I'm gonna leave that up there because I'm gonna leave all my body stuff and my soap and stuff on this one, and I'll put another shelf that I have right there up for my detergent and all that other stuff. So yeah, and this is my helper right here. Tay, say hey.
Hey.
Yeah, that is my assistant. That's assistant Tay. So that's her name. So yeah. So let's get into this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like this video and comment down below. And let's get into it. Got a lot going on right now, y'all. We throwing our tissue and stuff over here. It's gonna be a long video, so I know I'm gonna speed this video up for you guys because I don't know why it makes a long video. So yeah. Hey, throw it over there, girl. Throw it. Okay, so I had to find a way. Well, I had to find a way to put my other shelf because it is the same size as this shelf, and these things are big, y'all. It's so big. Yeah, okay. That's enough. I'm trying to let y'all see how big this shelf is. Look at the ceiling. Look at that. And it got 5 parts to it. So, yeah. I'm finna see if I can find a spot to put this other shelf at. And we're going to get it in here. And I ended up had to take stuff down on that shelf because it was too heavy and it was going to fall everywhere it go. But, yeah, that's both of the shelves. Look, these things are big. I told my boyfriend not to buy this. He bought one yesterday. I told him not to buy it because we did not have enough space for it. But what he gonna do? He go to Walmart and buy this $40 shelf. So yeah, there we go. So we finna put all this stuff on here. And look, y'all, look what happened. One of my dish soaps opened up and it wasted out. So yeah, that's something we gotta clean up, and we gotta clean up the other stuff out too, y'all. So bear with us. Look at all this stuff we have to put up. Y'all pray for me. Because I'm finna go through these two. Let's get it, y'all. Hey, y'all. Told her, hey. Okay, so I guess we're going to start with the detergent first. Oh, this stuff everywhere up on my foot. Oh, that feels so nasty. So, yeah, so go ahead and start doing the tide. And I got me a little chair somewhere so I can reach up here. And Ariah's sitting on it. Girl, get that big booty up. How it hurt. You ain't gonna Mama. Raya Bug almost fell, but she did. While she trying to whine. Okay, we're gonna start putting the tide. We're just gonna put the tide on the top shelf. Let me get right here, Tay. Go get your shelf. I'm gonna get your stool out the bathroom. And it's still, y'all can't even see. Yeah, this video gonna be all over the place, so I'll let y'all know now. I'm trying to see y'all get that top shelf up there. I got so much stuff up on this floor that probably can't see. But we'll start putting this up here. And I still ain't tall enough, even with this little thing. Y'all, why I picked today to do this video? Why? Because I got tired of stuff sitting on the floor. But they helping me though, so I can't complain. gosh. As you guys can see, the whole top shelf is full Tide. And I'm tired. Oh, this is a workout. Put all this stuff up, man. Lordy. Okay, so Tide is the only thing that I have a lot of. I had a lot of game, but I sold all of my game, so that's what I need to stop back on next is my game. I have to take a break from selling my stockpile, so that's what I've been doing for like stop. That's what I've been doing the past few months. I've been selling my stockpile when I get it, but I think I'm gonna stop for a few months and let it grow and see how much these hands can do. So yeah. You probably helping me. Come on. Okay, so next I got some Persil. I got this from Walgreens this week. It was $4.99 on sale. $4.99. And I had a $2 off coupon, made $2.99. But I used my $10 restaurant reward. I paid like some cents for like 4 of them. I think I'll be spending my other coupons at Walmart because they didn't have any more in my store, so I had to let that deal go. And I didn't even get in on a Tide deal at my Walgreens because they didn't have no Tide at all. No Tide, no all. Okay, no all detergent, no all packs, none of that. So this all they had. They had like 8 of them, so I got all the 8 of them that they had. Some of this stuff had to take a bath, y'all. Okay, you guys, so got some drink in my lips. But as you can see, we have a lot to go. So I'm finna get some of this stuff straightened out and I'll be back with y'all. Okay, see y'all when I start back up. I done got so far, but we still got a lot to go. And y'all, I think we can't let the assistant come back no more because look at that. When she was throwing that stuff, all my wash pile, all my dish liquid wasted. Look at that. Then got a big pile over there wasted. And then got some up under there wasted. You see right there? Yeah, she's done. Okay, you guys, we back. What? And look at my shirt, y'all. Don't mind how I look, cause I got all this dishwasher liquid on me. So yeah, that's what it is. Okay, but y'all see how far we got? We got detergent. This is a fabric softener. Flings and pies right there. Got dishwasher liquid on the bottom. I got my body wash over here. I'm lining it up now. And almost all my soft soap got all this dishwasher liquid up on it. So it's sticky. So I got to wipe everything off. Lordy, please help me. So we are back and we are finally done, you guys. I cut this video short because it was hot. I had so much stuff that got destroyed. So I had to clean all this stuff up. And then the kids, when they wasn't helping me at all. So yeah, that's why I didn't record most of it, but this is how it looks. I just started putting stuff together at the end because I didn't care for real. But it looked good to me, so I got all the Tide up there. I have the detergent right here. Yeah, I had to stock up more on detergent because I sold all my stuff and I had to get my stuff back. I got the softeners right here. I have flings and pods down here. I have a lot of dish soap, Febreze, Fabuloso, Clorox. I just put all that stuff down there. I got a lot of feminine products up there. My body wash, a lot of Dove, soft soap, Dove Irish Spring Dial. I got soap right there. I have a lot of stuff. Well, I have a lot of lotions in there, a lot of deodorants, and that's all the Centrum and the Flintstones and this Centrum gummies. Just the little free time and all the stuff that I got from Dollar General. I just put that up in there. My little plug. And these, it had dish soap all over the box, so I had to put these in there. And I got this for 25 cents at Dollar General for the Christmas thing. Yeah. And I got paper towel right there. And I got all my tissue and stuff right there, you guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's probably going to be a short video because I told you I didn't record it. Well, I didn't record all this stuff. Oh, I forgot this over here. And I got my dryer sheets right here. All my Airwick stuff right there. I got all my Clorox, Lysol, and all this stuff down there. And I have a lot of toothpaste and Listerine and stuff down there. I have more of that in the bathroom, but we're not going to get into that tonight because, yeah, it's time for you to go to bed. Look at her. Right, Bo? Say hey. Yeah, what she got into. She got a lot of stuff. But, yeah, you guys, this is it. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to be giving one of y'all looking people a giveaway basket of... I don't know what I'm going to give yet. But, yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're liking the video. And make sure you comment down below so I can know that you're here. Ain't that right, Mama? Ain't that right, Mama? Yeah. But we love y'all. Thanks for watching my video. Bye. See you in the next one.